Hi, this is Sandeep here. I am the founder and MD of eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. We have recently, launched the Civil Studio, majorly for the civil engineers. In this particular video, I am going to tell you certain things about the missing links, actually, which are there in the syllabus and in the final year BTech, MTech, or even diploma. Those kind of university courses those are offering. And how in the industry you required those missing links so that to grab an opportunity. Missing links which are related to, let's say for example, what all the subjects that we are having. Geotechnical engineering, that's one subject. Another subject is theory of structures, strength of material. But what is the correlation between the different subjects that are completely missing? So here in this particular video, I'm going to tell you that how we are going to bridge the gap between the industry and between the curriculum. Bridging the gap is like, I'll just tell you, this is the chess actually. Okay, I know the piece here, let's say E4, E5, then there is knight F3, then here it is knight C6, then we have bishop here and this pawn here. Now this is a particular opening which is Ruy Lopez opening, and every particular piece is important, you know that in the chess. But piece is a piece actually. Unless and until you understand the importance in the position in a particular game, you will not understand the significance of this. Any particular person who is not acquainted about the openings and the placements, will go mess. That's the difference between the grandmaster and the street player. Here in the civil engineering, how it is important, the subject. You know the subject, but you don't know the importance of this and the correlation between the different pieces or different subjects. If you don't know this correlation between the subjects, you will go mess. You will not understand you have understood, or you might be a university topper in a particular subject called, let's say, theory of structures, or maybe the soil mechanics. But when it comes to the how to design the raft, foundation, pile foundation systems, whether the isolated footing or combined footing or raft you require to design, unless and until you correlate that with the structure and soil structure interaction, you will not understand the significance of the subject, what you are going to put it in the industry. So here in this particular workshops, actually we are going to train you in such a way that you will understand not only the subjects, but how you can incorporate it in the particular software and how you can deliver certain things to the site. I hope you understood, and I hope you like my video. Please thumbs up if you like it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.